What if the safest house on your street didn't look safe at all? No fortress, no showroom lights, just a place I slide past. Today you'll learn the greyman house, forgettable outside, quietly strong inside, and ready to vanish when you need to. Stay to the end for a one-page checklist you can print today. Welcome back to Charlie Survival. Most people think security means looking secure. High fences, bright cameras, shiny kit. In calm times, that feels great, but in hard times, it's a billboard that says treasure inside. A greyman house flips the script. The outside looks ordinary, even a touch scruffy. The inside, doors that don't kick in, windows that don't break easily, rooms that swallow light and noise, plus habits your family can do under stress. No drama, no illegal traps, no bunker cosplay. Just quiet, upgraded stealth, simple routines, a plan you can start tonight. We'll cover the phantom home principle, a 60-minute walk around to find your gateways, the invisible triad, light, sound, smell, off-grid silent alarms, layered defense and funnels, a realistic safe core, hide spots and escapes, family SOPs, morale, and a 24-hour, 7-day and 30-day action plan. All legal, all doable, built for normal UK homes. The clock starts now. The phantom home principle. A fortress broadcast value, food, fuel, power, tech. A phantom house broadcasts hassle, low payoff, uncertain risk, not worth it. 3 rules. Rule 1, blend, don't flex. From the pavement, you're average, slightly worn, not wrecked, nothing shiny. Rule 2, hide your strength. Reinforcements live behind paint and plaster. Real detection is quiet and off-grid. Rule 3, control your signature. In blackouts, light, sound and smell travel far. Seal them and you'll vanish from attention. Friction beats confrontation. Make your house feel like work. Most opportunists will move on. The 60 minutes walk around. Before you change anything, do a walk around twice, dawn and dusk. Look with a stranger's eyes and ask, would I pick this house? Billboards, new visible solar or battery stacks facing the street. A very neat lawn on a rundown street, cameras mounted like trophies, glossy patio sets, grills, tools on show, a proud veg garden by the pavement, parcel piles and branded packaging, rigid lighting patterns on at 6 PM and off at 11 PM, intruder approaches and hides, dark side passages, overgrown hedges near windows, bins or gaps where someone can crouch, blind corners near the garage or rear gate. Your rhythms. Which rooms leak light? Where would you stand to observe? How would you move family at 2 AM? Snap photos, sketch routes, that's your fix list. Outside the skies, blend with outlying. Aim for forgettable, not derelict. Average gets ignored. Relax the perfection. Let grass go a touch long, minor fence peel is fine. Keep front beds tidy but plain. Cover the grill, put tools away, neutral tarp anything that gleams. If kit must stay out, dull the finish. Garden discretion. Grow food behind screening. Mix edibles with shrubs so beds read as landscaping, not production. Windows. No showroom views, neutral curtains or blinds. Keep fancy kit away from front glass. Lighting. Use gentle path lights so you can move safely. Avoid big floodlights. If you use motion lights, point them to help you see, not to tell people you're home. Vehicles. Lose the stickers that trumpet politics or preparedness. Keep interior clear, clean enough, not polished. Rubbish and deliveries. Break down boxes from electronics, tools and bulk food. Bring packaging inside or use parcel lockers. Boundaries and squeaks. A low gate that creaks a little is better than a fortress fence that boasts a subtle sound is free alert. Hidden strength inside. Outside we blend, inside we buy time. Doors. Swap short hinge and strike plate screws for 3 to 4 inch screws into the wall studs. Install a strong strike plate with extra screws. Add a quiet inside brace or door bar for night, quick to put on and take off. Make sure doors are straight and sealed. Tight doors hold up better. Windows. Apply clear security film 8 to 12mm. Properly installed, it helps hold glass together under impact, slowing entry and reducing easy reach through. On vulnerable ground floor windows, consider galvanized hardware cloth, 1/4 inch mesh, fitted discreetly behind trim where safe and compliant. Maintain locks, replace weak latches, sliders and patios. Drop a broom handle or bar in the track, fit anti-lift blocks at the top track, upgrade the latch, many factory latches are weak. Garage. Older fixed code openers are easier to intercept than newer rolling code units. In high risk periods or outages, disengage the motor and use an interior lock or crossbar, preserving a fire escape. Reinforce side doors like front doors. Attic, crawl space and vents. Secure large panels from the inside with extra screws or brackets. Keep required ventilation clear. Layout. Use furniture to slow a straight sprint to bedrooms without trapping your exits. Make sure you can see clearly from your lookout spots to the likely way someone might approach. None of this looks dramatic, that's the point, it works without advertising itself. I've put some of the best home and bug out survival items in one place in an Amazon kit list so you can find everything you need easily. Feel free to check it out in the description below. The invisible triad: light, sound, smell. When streets go dark and quiet, tiny signals travel. We kill the signals. Make a blackout stack. Put reflective insulation in the window recess with the dull side facing out, held in place with Velcro or hung up with command hooks to block light and keep heat in. Then hang a thick curtain or blanket in front of it. Seal the edges. Pencil thin leaks are visible outside in deep dark. Test at night with a partner and a torch. Fix every glow. Designate one light safe room. Keep the rest dark. Sound. Establish stealth mode. Voices drop, movement slows, doors close softly. Fit felt pads to chairs, add rugs and runners. Thin foam at latches. Train kids with ninja evenings. Small rewards, big results. Oil hinges, secure rattly vents. Stop bangy gates. Smell. Pressure cook when possible. It contains aromas better than open pots. Vent smart. Don't broadcast your incredible cooking to the street. Cook when others cook or when wind disperses odors fast. Control light, sound and smell and you'll become a blank space in other people's senses. Silent off-grid awareness. You can't react to danger if you don't know it's there. When the power goes out and batteries die, simple tools like cans and threads still work to warn you. Can drop. On still nights, balance empty tins on thin battens along fence tops or squeeze throughs. If disturbed, tins fall and change position, acting as a silent visitor log. Flower track. On dry nights, sprinkle flour or fine soil along narrow approaches, by gates and under windows. Morning shows prints or scuffs, smooth and reset. Trip indicators, made safe and legal. Thin thread at ankle height so a tug inside your boundary moves a tiny indicator like a fishing bell. Signals only, never hazards. Gravel belts. A 1 meter belt of crunchy gravel beneath vulnerable windows. Looks like landscaping but it sounds like an alarm. Trail cams, optional. Battery cameras disguised as rocks or tired fixtures, used for patterns not heroics. Notebook. Log times and changes. Patterns reduce anxiety and separate foxes from humans. Layered defense and funnels. Think in rings. Each ring buys time and certainty. Street. Low profile, no billboards. Approach. Planters, trellis or a static project car to funnel movement into lanes you can watch. Also remove deep shade by doors. Garden. Trim hedges that hide crouching. Move bins away from windows. House. Reinforcements that force noise and effort. Safe core. The safe room where you stay calm and protected while things outside are confusing or dangerous. Learn how far it is from your windows to landmarks like trees or sheds, 10, 20, 30 and 50 meters. Knowing the distance helps you stay calm and make better choices if something happens. The safe core, citadel, 72 hours of calm. Your safe core is an upstairs or interior room to wait out noise or attempted entry. Not a bunker, just tidy, tough and stocked. Door. Solid core or reinforced, good hinges, upgraded strikes, if legal. A peephole or discreet cam for awareness. Supply list, minimum loadout, the gear you keep ready in the room. Water. Amount. Store at least 4 litres per person per day, 2 litres for drinking, 2 litres for cooking and hygiene. Keep a 3-day minimum 12 litre per person. If you can, aim for 7 days, 28 litres. I've made a whole video on water storage if you want to check it out. Power. Generators, handy for fridges or tools, but loud and smelly. Run it outside in short bursts and only when legal and safe. Portable solar panels and battery banks. Silent and simple. Charge phones, radios and LED lights by day. Use stored power by night. LED lighting. It uses far less power than old bulbs, so batteries last longer. Risk and law. Stay safe, stay legal. No traps. Devices meant to injure or danger are illegal. Fire safety. Don't block exits. Keep blackout fabrics clear of heat sources. Maintain smoke and carbon monoxide alarms. Building rules. Strengthen your home in ways that meet code and still let people escape and fresh air flow. Action plans. 24 hours. Replace door hinge and strike screws with 3 to 4 inch screws. Perfect one blackout room. Test with a torch and a partner. Set one silent indicator, cans or flower track. Pick your safe room. Then set up one box with water, food, a torch, a first aid kit and rubbish bags. Do the walk around and remove one billboard signal. Practice stealth mode once before bed. 7 days. Install security film on the most exposed window. Fit dowel and anti-lift blocks to sliders and patio doors. Lay gravel belts under 2 vulnerable windows. Stick felt pads under the chairs with wooden floor. Add a runner to the loudest hall. Dull or store shiny exterior kit. Practice low smell cooking once. Walk your rally routes at dusk. Make roll cards, tape them in a cupboard. 30 days. Finish blackout for rooms used after dark. Add hidden metal mesh to 2 ground floor windows, safe and legal. Create 2 hide spots with micro kits. Build a second silent alarm path. Stock the safe call room for 3 days per person. Do a basic first aid course if you can. Run 1 lights off evening. Whisper after dark. Light only in the safe room. Add portable solar and a battery bank. Test your charge and use cycle. Set a discreet neighbor check-in. FAQ and myths. 1. Won't scruffy attract crime? You're not going derelict, you're going average. Mild wear, tidy edges, nothing worth stealing on show. Average gets ignored. 2. Cameras hidden or on show. Subtle outside is fine. Keep serious detection quiet and hidden so it works in outages. 3. Should I get a big dog? Dogs deter and can draw attention. Train quiet alerts, manage their barking. Ethics of being grey. Being grey isn't being cold, it's choosing not to advertise. Think of it as the North Korea propaganda town, but only in reverse. Check on neighbours in safe hours, share small help when you can, lead with calm, people follow calm. Comment below the ways that you keep your house grey, I'd love to know. A 1-page greyman house checklist has been posted to the Charlie Survival Facebook group. I'll leave the link in the description. If this helped, hit like so more people can find practical preparedness. Subscribe for skills that work in the real world. Stay safe, stay unseen. Charlie Survival signing off.